Hmm? Dear students, we again become ready to read kinds of sentences. Lastly, we have to read exclamatory sentence and emphatic sentence. Today, first of all, we are going to read an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. This sentence shows the sudden feeling of the mind and heart. This sentence shows the sudden feeling of the mind and heart. Sometimes we become happy, we become surprised, we become the feeling of heartedness. Such feelings and such sense which we express by our heart, by our mind, those are called exclamatory sentences. Example: what a beautiful scene! What a beautiful scene! At the end of the sentence, there is exclamation marks. This marks is called also exclamatory marks. Well done, Mohan. Bravo, you have well done. Five. It is very dirty. It is very dirty. As we find here, well done, Mohan. Bravo, you have well done. Five, it is very dirty. Five, this shows heartedness. It shows the sense towards the feeling of dirtiness. Bravo, you encourage. Bravo, you have well done. It means you encourage someone that you have done very rightly. Bravo, you have well done. What a beautiful scene! The scene is very excellent, so you become surprised suddenly, and we say, what a beautiful scene! वाह, कितना सुंदर दृश्य है. In Hindi you can say, but I think you all understand clearly about the sense, surprise, the feeling of surprise, the feeling of encouragement. Bravo, you have well done, or well done, Mohan. Phai, the feeling of हर्टेडनेस, घृणा का भाव. फाई, इट इज वेरी डर्टी. नाउ लास्ट सेंटेंस, एम्फेटिक सेंटेंस. एम्फेटिक सेंटेंस sometimes this sentence shows the emphasis. We make stress on the sentence. Generally, after the subject, do or does is used to show the sentence emphatic. As you see here, he does sing well. He does sing well. I do read my book. I do read my book. They do swim in the river. Mohan does sing a song. Thus, we find underlined does or do is used after the subject, and when does or do is used, in this case the sentence becomes emphatic sentence. He does sing well. In Hindi you can say वह गाता ही तो है. It means there is given a stress on the action. It is given a stress on the action sing. Here it is also given express on the action read. Here it is also given express on the action swim. वे लोग नदी में तैरते ही तो हैं. मोहन डज सिंग ए सॉन्ग. Here the function, the action sing is stressed by the use of does. Lastly, we know the use of do and does after the subject and how the sentence becomes emphatic sentence. Today I end up my teaching here, and I think you can revise these sentences. Homework: revise the taught kinds of sentences.